Recovering email from old Eudora client and have an EUX mailbox file. These contain email archives from the discontinued Eudora email client. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these Eudora email mailbox files. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single highly effective EUX file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. An EUX file is a mailbox file associated with the Eudora email client, a popular application from the early internet era. Users typically encounter this format when attempting to access or migrate archived emails from an old system. The primary challenge is converting the proprietary format into a modern standard like Mbox or PST. The EUX file uses a modified Mbox format to store email messages, often paired with an index file, chi-tosi, for faster access. It's a text-based format where messages are concatenated, but it includes proprietary Eudora-specific headers and metadata, making direct import into other clients problematic without a conversion utility. We recommend using Qualcomm Eudora by Qualcomm to ensure proper reading of EUX. Dedicated software is required to correctly unpack and rebuild the file structure. Windows provides minimal insight, so proper reading requires compatible mail tools. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the EUX file and select Open With. Test Qualcomm Eudora if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the EUX format uniquely. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent EUX problem. First, opening in Eudora, install Eudora email client from archive sources, or run in a compatible legacy environment. Launch Eudora and configure mailbox locations to include the EUX file directory. The application loads messages displaying them in the familiar Eudora interface with full sorting filtering and message management capabilities for accessing historical email archives. Next, importing into Thunderbird. Mozilla. Thunderbird supports Eudora-style mailboxes through extensions like Import-Export Tools NG. Install Thunderbird and the extension, then use the import function to read EUX files. Thunderbird recreates the folder structure and preserves message content, enabling continued access to email archives in modern, actively maintained email clients. Finally, converting to standard formats. Use third-party converters like Aid4Mail or SysTools. Eudora to Mbox converter to transform EUX files into standard Mbox or PST formats. The converted files import into modern email clients including Microsoft Outlook, Apple Mail, and Gmail, through standard import procedures preserving message content for ongoing access and search capability. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need, available at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.